So earlier today, Mark Cuban hosted an AMA in the Wallstreetbets subreddit where he encouraged people to ask him any questions that they might have. The AMA lasted for over 2 hours. Right after the AMA, he got on a call with the business news network CNBC where he defended Wallstreetbets while at the same time educating the news anchors who didn't know much about the stock market. Okay, so this was the headline during the call. GameStop slammed again. Reddit-fueled trades tumble. Since the call was over 6 minutes long, we were only able to include about 50 seconds of the call. Here it is.
What you actually own when you own a share of stock in Apple? Well, Apple pays a dividend in a non-dividend paying share stock. What rights do you have as a shareholder when you own a share of a company that doesn't pay a dividend? If that company has a lot of discounted cash flow, are they actually, and they don't pay dividends, and they're not growing, and they're not investing, maybe they buy some shares of stock back. Maybe they issue more options for their executives. But what do you truly own? There was a point in time, back in the day when you owned a share of stock, you felt like you were an owner of the company. Now they have multiple classes of stock. You don't really own anything. What you own is the right to sell it to somebody else. It is effectively a digital representation of a share of stock that gives you the right to sell it or to buy it from somebody else.
CNBC has been spreading false information lately with headlines such as "Silver is the new short squeeze target for Reddit traders." This particular article here is going to help out the hedge funds a lot since they already had a lot of positions in the silver market and they were already ahead of everyone else. So they probably have something planned and they're trying to get all their money back. And I don't think it would really be a good move for the people from the subreddit to even go near silver, which there have actually been a lot of warnings in the subreddit. You guys can see up on the screen, there's been a lot of warnings, people saying to not buy silver, and a lot of the people from the Wallstreetbets subreddit are actually getting confused and they're buying silver because of these misleading articles. The main goal between everyone in the subreddit is to just stick with GME and hold until the prices go up once again. The aim of the hedge funds is to try to get as many people as possible in the Wallstreetbets subreddit to think that the whole GME situation is over with. But as you guys can see right here, there's many hedge funds who have a lot of short positions. And as you guys can see right here, they have millions of short positions on GME. And it would be in the best interest of people in Wallstreetbets to continue holding on to their GME stocks and driving that price up to make more profits. Once again, if you guys are seeing a lot of articles talking about how there's a big silver short squeeze happening and it's being carried out by the Wallstreetbets subreddit, it's most likely a lie and they just want to take your attention off of GME, which is where most of the action is actually happening right now. A lot of hedge funds have a lot of short positions right now and they're just trying to hide it. So I'm not a financial advisor, but my advice to you guys would be to just buy GME at a very low price and then just hold it, and then eventually it's going to blow up once again, which is pretty much my prediction. So for the past few days in the Wallstreetbets subreddit, there's been a lot of bots who are saying things such as silver squeeze, and they're also promoting other stocks besides GME because they're just trying to take attention off of GME, and it's causing a lot of people in that subreddit to start panicking. But yeah, the moderators did get involved and they're starting to ban these accounts, and they even had to put the entire subreddit in private. So now new people are not allowed to join currently. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe with your notification bell if you guys would like more, and I'll see you guys next time.